In this lesson, we are going to create payment method selection page. Let us start by going to store.js, and inside the type action, we need to define a new type for saving payment method. Right after save shipping address, add this type, save payment method, and the payload is of type string. Then go to the reducer, find the cases, and the last case is about save shipping address. I'm gonna add a new case for save payment address, and what I'm gonna return is the new payment method inside action payload, and keep other data as they are using .state and .state.card. Next step is creating shipping address page inside pages folder. Right click new file, shipping address page.ts. In this page, define payment method page as a function and export defaulted. Then use navigate hook from React Router DOM and grab navigate from it to redirect user to the next page after putting payment method. Then from React context, get the shipping address and payment method from the card in the state of React context. Import use state from React and store from store. After that, define state hook for getting payment method. I set the name to payment method name and set payment method name. Import state from React. If the payment method in the React store is undefined, use PayPal as default payment method. Next step is creating useEffect function. In this component, import it from React, and if shipping address.payment method is not defined, we need to go to previous step and fill shipping information using navigate to shipping page. Here it's time to define the submit handler. When user select payment method and click on next step, we need to have submit handler function to handle this request. Inside that, call e.prevent default to prevent refreshing the form and dispatch the action that we created inside store.tsx. Dispatch save payment method and pass the payment method selected in the radio button in this form as parameter to this action. Then save the selected payment method inside local storage to keep it after refreshing the page and navigate user to the next step, which is placing order. Great. The last step is shaping the UI of shipping address page. Return. Before going for it, rename it to payment method page and make it tsx because we are going to return JSX in this file. Okay, I'm ready to return the JSX of payment method screen. Return a dev. Inside dev, define checkout steps, import it from components folder, and make step 1, 2, and 3 active. Then create a dev, set class name to container, small container to put a form in the center of the screen. Then use helmet to set the title of this page to payment method. After helmet, we need to set the heading 1, create margin vertically 3, and the title of this page is payment method. Good, it's time to create a form using form from React Bootstrap, and for onSubmit, use submit handler function that we defined here. I'm going to create 2 radio buttons here. The first one is for PayPal. Inside a dev, set class name to margin button 3, and inside that, use form.check to create a radio button, set the type to radio, ID to PayPal, label to PayPal, and value to PayPal. It should be checked if the selected payment method is PayPal. And for unchanged, update the selected payment method name. Let's create another option. It's Stripe. Very similar to PayPal, but the values are Stripe. And the last step here is a button, a submit button, import button from React Bootstrap. And then we are ready to use this form in the main.tsx. Go to main.tsx, duplicate shipping, and rename it to payment. It should be payment method page. Import it. And let's check the result. Here enter address and click on continue. Awesome. We successfully implemented payment method page at this address, and user can select the payment method and click on continue. We didn't implement place order yet, so we get this error, but if I refresh the page, as you see, I am getting Stripe because when I clicked on PayPal, it was Stripe. And here I have the address information here. When I change the theme and refresh the page, it doesn't keep the theme. Let's fix it. Use this line of code. In the local storage, call setItem and update mode based on the current state of mode. If it is dark, save light in the local storage. Otherwise, save dark. Let's check it. I make it light, and when I refresh it, it keeps the state of selected mode after refreshing. Great. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.